The BioLeg is a revolutionary powered prosthetic knee designed by the Japanese company Bionic M to help above-knee amputees walk more naturally and confidently. Unlike traditional prosthetics that rely only on body movement, the BioLeg uses advanced motors, sensors, and smart software to move like a real human leg. It automatically adjusts to walking on slopes, stairs, and uneven surfaces, giving users smoother, more balanced motion. The knee can even provide powered assistance when standing up or sitting down, reducing strain and effort on the rest of the body. Built with intelligent control systems, it reacts instantly to the user's movements, keeping them stable and preventing the knee from collapsing under weight. The BioLeg's goal is to restore mobility, comfort, and independence for people with limb loss, making daily activities easier and less tiring. With its US glass, FDA approval, and insurance coverage, this groundbreaking prosthetic is now more accessible to people who need it. The BioLeg represents the next step in human mobility, blending robotics, engineering, and compassion to help people move freely and live life with greater confidence and ease. The Black Panther 2 robot is an incredibly fast and powerful four-legged machine created by the Chinese company MirrorMe and Zhejiang University's Humanoid Innovation Institute. Designed to move like a real panther, this advanced robot can sprint 100 meters in less than 10 seconds, almost as fast as a professional athlete. Weighing around 38 kilograms and standing about 2 feet tall, it combines strength, agility, and high-tech engineering. Its carbon fiber legs and spring-loaded joints help it absorb impact and maintain balance even at top speeds, while its robotic paws give it amazing grip on different surfaces. Inspired by fast animals like cheetahs and jerboas, the Black Panther 2 uses biomimicry to move naturally and efficiently. It can take up to 5 steps per second, showing off precise coordination and quick reflexes. This robot is a major leap forward in the world of quadruped robotics, blending speed, stability, and smart motion control. It's not just about running fast, it's about learning how machines can move more like living creatures. The Black Panther 2 truly represents the next generation of high-speed robotic innovation. Bunker UGV Robot. The Bunker UGV by Agilex Robotics is a powerful all-terrain robot designed for a wide range of tasks, from research and inspections to outdoor operations. It comes in different versions, including the Bunker Pro 2.0 and Bunker Mini 2.0, making it flexible for both heavy-duty and lighter applications. One of its strongest features is all-terrain mobility. Thanks to its track design, dual motors, and advanced suspension, the Bunker can easily climb slopes up to 30 degrees and navigate obstacles up to 180 millimeters high. It's built to handle tough conditions with an IP67 rating, meaning it's dustproof and waterproof, so it works reliably even in harsh environments. The robot can carry heavy loads, up to 120 kilograms on the Pro model and 25 kilograms on the Mini, allowing it to transport equipment, sensors, or supplies. Both models also support advanced navigation using LiDAR-based SLAM and CAN bus communication. Corning Visions Cookware. Corning Visions is a special line of transparent glass ceramic cookware introduced in 1979. Made from pyroceram, it's strong, versatile, and designed to handle high heat. You can safely use it on gas and electric stoves, in conventional or convection ovens, and even in microwaves. One of its most unique features is the amber-colored see-through design, which lets you watch your food cook without lifting the lid, keeping heat and flavor locked in. This cookware is also durable and resistant to stains, acids, and detergents, making it long-lasting and easy to maintain. Although no longer widely produced, Corning Visions remains popular among collectors and cooking enthusiasts. Vintage pieces can still be found online through Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. While the cookware itself is safe, some older glass lids may contain small amounts of lead. so it's wise to check vintage items before use. Overall, Corning Visions combines practicality with a unique, stylish design. It's Cyberfold Dark Knight. The Cyberfold Dark Knight is an extreme electric scooter built for thrill seekers and adventure lovers. Combining futuristic design with powerful performance, it offers an unforgettable riding experience both on city streets and off-road trails. This scooter is powered by dual hub motors with a Sonic X controller, letting it reach speeds of up to 115 kilometers per hour, 71 miles per hour. Its 72-volt, 60-hour Samsung SDI battery gives a range of around 120 kilometers, 75 miles on a single charge, so you can enjoy long rides without worrying about running out of power. The Dark Knight is designed for comfort and stability, featuring 16-inch off-road tires and dual-spring shock absorbers that handle rough terrain smoothly. Safety is also a priority, with hydraulic brakes and EABS ensuring quick and reliable stopping in all conditions. Despite its power, it is foldable, making it easy to store or carry when needed. See by Fingers is a smart, body-powered prosthetic designed to help people regain hand function in a simple and natural way. Made by Motorica, it's perfect for both kids and adults who've lost fingers or part of their hand. Unlike electronic prosthetics, CB Fingers doesn't need batteries or charging. Instead, it uses your wrist or arm movement to control the fingers. When you bend your wrist, the fingers close, and when you straighten it, they open. This makes it feel intuitive and easy to use in daily life. The prosthetic is lightweight, durable, and even waterproof, so you can wear it while washing your hands or in the rain. It can lift up to 10 kilograms, making it strong enough for most everyday tasks. The latest version also lets you lock the fingers in certain positions for better grip and control. Users can even customize its look with different colors and designs. See by Fingers helps maintain muscle strength since it relies on your own motion. Diamond Head USA was a popular firearms accessories company based in West Springfield, Massachusetts, known for making high-quality, innovative gear for the M4 and AR-15 platforms. They designed a wide range of products, including handguards, rails, and sights, all praised for their durability, precision, and user-friendly design. Many shooters appreciated Diamond Head's focus on both functionality and style, which helped their accessories stand out in the crowded firearms market. Unfortunately, Diamond Head USA has since closed, and their official website is no longer active. The reasons behind the shutdown are unclear, but the impact of their designs continues to be felt. Even though the company is gone, many of their products are still available through third-party retailers and online marketplaces like Gunbroker. Collectors and firearm enthusiasts often seek out these items for their quality and unique design features. The Dreamglass Lead is a cutting-edge augmented reality headset designed by Dreamworld AR that brings a massive 200-inch virtual screen right in front of your eyes. It delivers stunning 4K visuals, making movies, games, and apps feel larger and more immersive than ever before. Unlike most AR headsets, Dreamglass Lead works completely on its own. No need to connect it to a computer or phone. It runs on its own system called Dream OS and lets you stream or mirror content wirelessly from your devices. You can easily enjoy Netflix, YouTube, Zoom calls, and even TikTok directly inside the headset. The design is built for comfort with a balanced weight and features that reduce blue light and eye strain, making it suitable for long hours of use. There's also a Pro version called Dreamglass Lead Pro, which adds motion tracking for gaming and professional use. Whether you want to enjoy entertainment on a massive screen, work remotely, or experience immersive virtual environments, Dreamglass Lead offers a powerful and portable solution that combines convenience, performance, and innovation, bringing the future of AR right to your eyes. Go 2-Wheel RoboDog Unitree Go 2. The Unitree Go 2 is an advanced robotic dog designed for fun, learning, and research. It combines speed, agility, and intelligence, making it perfect for robotics enthusiasts, students, and professionals. The Go 2 can run up to 2.5 meters per second and perform impressive moves like jumping, running, and climbing over different surfaces, showing off its athletic abilities. It's equipped with a 360-degree LiDAR system that detects obstacles very accurately, helping it navigate safely. The robot also includes an AI-powered side follow system, so it can follow you or move along a predefined path without getting lost. With a 15,000 milliamp hour battery, it can operate for up to 4 hours depending on usage. The Go 2 isn't just for fun, it's also a great learning tool. The EDU version features a powerful NVIDIA processor, high-torque motors, and multiple cameras, allowing students to explore AI, programming, and robotics in a hands-on way. It can even perform interactive movements like sitting, shaking hands, or pouncing, making it both educational and entertaining. The Haptex Gloves G1 are cutting-edge VR gloves that let you feel and interact with virtual objects like never before. Unlike traditional VR controllers, these gloves give realistic sensations of touch, weight, and resistance, making experiences in virtual and augmented reality far more immersive. Each glove contains 135 microfluidic actuators that gently move your skin to simulate different textures and sensations, while force feedback provides up to 40 pounds of resistance per hand, letting you feel the solidity of virtual objects. The gloves offer precise motion tracking with 36 degrees of freedom and sub-millimeter accuracy, ensuring your hand movements are perfectly mirrored in the virtual world. Powered by a wireless AirPack backpack, you can move freely without being tethered. They also come with a software development kit compatible with Unity, Unreal Engine, and robotics platforms, making it easy for developers to create realistic training simulations, virtual prototyping, or robotic control applications. Weighing around 19.5 pounds for the full system and offering up to 3 hours of usage, Haptex Gloves G1 combine comfort with high performance. They are ideal for medical training, industrial simulations, design testing, or simply exploring the next level of VR immersion. The Hover Air Aqua is an amazing self-flying waterproof camera drone built for water adventures. Designed by 00 Robotics, this drone can take off and land on water without any problem. Whether you're kayaking, paddleboarding, surfing, or just relaxing by the beach, it follows you automatically and captures stunning 4K videos at 100 frames per second. It's super lightweight at under 249 grams, so you can fly it without worrying about registration in most countries. With up to 23 minutes of flight time and a top speed of around 55 kilometers per hour, it can handle strong winds and rough weather easily. The camera lens has a hydrophobic coating and anti-fog technology, ensuring crystal clear footage even in wet conditions. The Hover Air Aqua also comes with a special lighthouse controller that straps to your arm, letting you control takeoff, landing, and modes with ease. HumRider. The HumRider is an extraordinary concept vehicle built to tackle one of the biggest challenges of city life, traffic jams. This modified SUV can raise itself about 5 feet into the air and expand its wheelbase to around 8 feet, allowing it to drive above congested streets and navigate obstacles that would stop normal cars. It's a creative and eye-catching approach to solving urban traffic problems. The idea first came about in 2001 in the UK as part of a promotional project for Friendly Robotics, showcasing the potential of innovative engineering. The design was inspired by a tank or bunker built to overcome obstacles with ease, making it a fun and futuristic concept that grabbed attention worldwide. Humans AI Pin. The Humans AI Pin was an ambitious wearable device created by Humane Inc., a company started by former Apple employees. Designed to replace traditional smartphones, it was completely screenless and projected a green display onto your hand using a small laser. This made it possible to interact with the device using just your voice and gestures, offering a hands-free and distraction-free experience. The AI Pin came with a 13-megapixel camera for taking photos and sending messages. It also integrated OpenAI's GPT-4, giving users AI-powered assistance for tasks, reminders, and information. The device included sensors like an accelerometer and ambient light detector, and it connected via 4G eSIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. It ran on a custom version of Android called Cosmo S, with cloud services available through a monthly subscription. Despite its innovative design, the AI Pin faced problems. Users reported overheating, short battery life, and laggy performance. Sales were poor, and many devices were returned. In February 2025, after Humane Inc. was acquired by HP for $116 million, the AI pin was discontinued, with existing devices ceasing to function. Although the human's AI pin didn't succeed in the market, it represented a bold attempt to rethink how we interact with technology, moving away from screens and toward a more natural, hands-free digital experience. It showed a glimpse of what future personal devices could look like. IGS Farming System. The IGS Farming System by Intelligent Growth Solutions is a cutting-edge approach to modern agriculture, designed to grow fresh produce in urban spaces. Using vertical farming technology, their growth towers stack crops in multiple layers indoors, creating a controlled environment where plants can thrive all year round. This system is ideal for cities, helping bring local, fresh food closer to consumers while reducing reliance on traditional farmland. One of the key benefits of IGS's system is its water efficiency. The closed-loop irrigation recycles water, using up to 97% less than conventional farming. At the same time, advanced LED lighting and climate control ensure optimal growth conditions while keeping energy use low. Temperature, humidity, and nutrient levels are carefully managed to help plants grow faster and healthier. The modular design makes it easy to scale the system to meet different production needs. It can support a variety of applications, from growing fresh vegetables for grocery stores to cultivating specialized crops for nurseries or pharmaceuticals. By producing food locally, inline skates are a fun and exciting way to get around while staying active. Unlike traditional roller skates that have two pairs of wheels side by side, inline skates have wheels arranged in a single line. This design makes them faster, more agile, and perfect for smooth rides. Whether you're cruising through a park, skating on city streets, or practicing tricks, inline skates come in different styles to match your skill level and purpose. Beginner skates usually have softer wheels for better grip and stability, making it easier to balance. Advanced skates have harder wheels, which are faster and last longer, ideal for speed skating or competitive sports like inline hockey. The boots also vary. Soft and cushioned for casual skating, or rigid and supportive for intense skating, helping protect your ankles during high-speed rides or jumps. Safety is important when skating. Wearing a helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist guards helps prevent injuries and gives skaters confidence to push their limits. Inline skating is not just fun, it's also a great workout, improving your balance, coordination, and overall fitness. Whether you're skating for fun, fitness, or competition, inline skates give you freedom, speed, and style. They are an exciting way to enjoy the outdoors, explore your surroundings, and stay active while having a blast on wheels.